That's the 6.2-liter supercharged V8 waking up like it just smelled premium. Today, I'm test driving my Cadillac CTS-V. I want to see if American muscle can still bully the super sedans. First impression, tuxedo with knuckle dusters. The moment I press the start button, the exhaust barks, settles into a mean, idle whole cabin, hums like it's holding a secret. Let's roll. Steering in tour mode is light, easy like a big luxury couch that learned manners. But the second I dip into the throttle, the blower whines, the rear squats, and I'm holding on as the world gets smaller. Specs quick hit, 640 horsepower, 630 pound-feet of torque, rear-wheel drive, 8-speed auto that snaps shifts like it's picking fights. 0-60 in the mid-threes if I hook. Top speed, north of 200. And that was before we upgraded with a new supercharger, ethanol tank, and a performance exhaust system. With the ECU and TCU, it deliver at least 850 horses, but we have not tested it on the Dyno yet. It's a family sedan that speaks fluent Dragon. I switch to Sport. The suspension tightens, the exhaust opens, and the steering adds weight. I give it half throttle, half, and it's already working through traction like a math problem. The supercharger whine is addictive. It's like ASMR for gearheads. Brakes, massive. I lean on them hard and the nose plants with confidence. Turn-in is sharper than you expect for a big sedan. The magneto-rheological dampers keep it flat and calm, even when I'm not. Traction control off? Okay, just a taste. Roll into second, breathe on the throttle, and the rear steps out in a smooth, controllable arc. It's playful, not scary. Like it wants to dance, not bite. Inside, it's business class with a bad attitude. Alcantara wheel supportive seats, heads-up display, flashing shift lights like a little race engineer. It's comfortable, but it never lets me forget the violence under my right foot. Now, a quick pull. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. The shove is instant, almost rude, and the shifts hit like camera flashes. I'm laughing before third gear. Here's why this matters. European super sedans are scalpel precise. This feels like a sledgehammer that learned ballet. Raw, loud, honest. No fake noises, no pretense. Power, grip, grin. Would I daily it? Absolutely. It cruises quietly, takes potholes without drama, and then turns every on-ramp into story time. Final thought, the CTS-V isn't just a fast Cadillac. It's a statement that American muscle can dress up, be civilized, and still absolutely erase tarmac when asked. If you want a sedan that feels alive every single drive, this is it. Hit me with questions drops you want me to test next, and your dream spec CTS-V builds. I'll bring the tires. You bring the courage. See you in the next run.